Happy summer season, my people. How are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. So follow me, let's do this wonderful smoothie. Keep watching. So this is a summertime and we are going to be making smoothie. Here I have a kiwi, and this is kiwi gold. You can choose to use any kiwi of your choice. I prefer to use kiwi gold because I love how the taste is, guys, and it's a little bit huge, so I'll be using 2 kiwi. Summer is good for you to make a smoothie, yourself smoothie, and enjoy with your family. So last time, if you have not watched the smoothie we made, kindly watch it out. And this is the second smoothie we are doing to post in our channel this summer season. We have been making some smoothies, but the one I posted is what I'm counting. So keep watching and kindly subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of this. So I have to chop them now and keep aside. Another thing we're going to be using is avocado. Yes, so we're going to be using 1 avocado. Yes, avocado, just one avocado. Use your knife or to bring it out. I am lucky that I have this avocado. Is good. Sometimes you get avocado here, it's not going to be good. I'm lucky today to get, in fact this time around I'm very lucky to get a good avocados. So we have to add only 1 avocado, and we're going to add banana, 1 banana too. So this is a banana. And another thing we're going to add in is our nut. You guys know now, mandel nut is my choice. You can use any nuts of your choice. Okay, then we're going to add our ice. It is summertime, everywhere is hot, so to cool it down, and I'm going to be adding 1 cup of milk. Just measure it. If you can measure it by looking at it, I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Then I'll go ahead to blend. Let's clean it a little bit. And to cool your summer down, you need all this kind of smoothie. So I have to cover to blend. So this is the end. I've blended it very nicely. So we are going to enjoy it now with your family. Just share it with your family. So share with us, guys. This is so good. So enjoy it while the sun is shining. You can, if you like, you can also add it in your freezer if you like, but this is already good to drink, so you can use straw to enjoy it. That is how it is, guys. So enjoy with me. Thank you for watching. So enjoy with me. Roast. So lekker. So watch me enjoy mine.
Please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like and comment.
Lekker. Mmm.